Hey guys, Devin again. Today I'm going to show you how to load a pallet of cans in your DPL. You'll notice this one, the bands on the side are already cut and there's no plastic wrap around it. Those are kind of the first things you'll want to do. After that, you kind of walk around, look for any dented cans like these specifically, and just get those out of there. Those will give you issues down the line. Okay, so first thing we want to do is raise up our pallet jack enough to get enough ground clearance here to make it over our hoist. The next thing you'll do is lower this pallet jack down and try to get it out. Sometimes it gets a little stuck, so you'll have to call in some friends. Let's get a guy on each side here. You gotta get a little oomph to it. So once the pallet jack's out of the way, we'll come in here and cut the bands, and then we'll take the top rack off. So once you got your top rack off, you'll notice our single filer up there. We want to get the pallet as close as we can as possible to that. So our little trick we like to do is take your top rack, slide it on this back side of the pallet. Sometimes it needs a little kick to get in there. And that shifts your pallet all the way over. So once that pallet's nice and loaded, we're gonna have to come here and clear our light curtain area. Right up here too. You wanna make sure you're on the proper can size up top. We are selected 16s. And then from there, we'll just go ahead and start. And then start up and you're ready to rip. Thanks for tuning in to my TED Talk about loads. See you next time.